what I want to use this calabash for? I'll use that for soup. Wait, charcoal stove. So I put it like this. They also have the one you can use and put drinking water. Hey guys, we are back to Rio. Right now I'm in my house in Rio. So I want to go to the market to buy charcoal stove so that once in a while we can be using charcoal stove for our cooking. So guys, join me to the market. Join me to the local market. I'm going with Tabasi Freke. So guys, the sun is just too much, so I have to go back inside and carry my cap at least to cover my face. It's too much. Oh, the sun is really shining. Look at, I don't know if you guys can see the sun. Very hot. So now it's better now. Let's go. Nice. Good afternoon. Fine. So guys, I'm back from the market. So I did not waste time because it's just one item that I went for, but I got another thing. Let me show you. I bought a calabash. Do you know what I want to use this calabash for? I'll use that with soup. When you put soup in this calabash, it will remain very hot. Very hot, very sweet. It will give you another taste in the soup. My calabash, and this is what took me to the market. Charcoal stove. Hey God! I remember when my grandmother used to use this calabash to eat. This calabash pot. They also have the one you can use and put drinking water.